Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download videos from Facebook Ads Library. If you're a great marketer with Facebook, you should know that the Ads Library is a very important tool, especially if you want to make research to know what others are doing in the feed and also know what's trending, or even to find out what kind of ads are working. So that's just a few of the reasons why you might want to download a video from the Facebook Ad Library. So first thing first is you need to search for the Facebook Ads Library on your laptop. So let's search that Facebook Ads Library. So mind you, this can only be done with laptop. I've not tried it on phone before. So once you search for that, then you come to this first link and open it. So over here, you have to click on this drop down arrow and choose all ads. All ads. Then you have to put in the keyword which you wish to make research on. Probably you are into shoes or you promote shoes online, then just search for shoes as your keyword. When you search for shoes, you get to see several videos and advertisements done by other marketers on Facebook regarding shoes. So if you check this, you will see that there are so many shoes over here, like there are so many shoe adverts over here. So in case you see anyone that's caught your attention or catch your attention, then what you want to do is just come to that particular video. Let's also want to download this video now. So come over to where we have see ad details. So click on see ad details. Can you see? So this is the video we'll be downloading now. So guys, if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and on this channel I talk about ways you can make money online and things you can do to get better results in your internet marketing activities. So please kindly give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends so that they can also enjoy this kind of video. And if you wish to get this kind of video in subsequent time, probably videos on Facebook ads, marketing generally, please just ensure you subscribe to my channel so that you can always get value from me in subsequent time. So let's get back to it. So let's assume you want to download this video now. All you need to do now is you want to right click. So just right click on this video. So once you right click, you can see where we have inspect down here. So click on inspect. So once you click on inspect, some codes will load up by the right. So mind you, this could actually load up down here. I mean at the bottom of this video, or it could load up by the right hand side. So whichever place is load up, just take note of that. So once this has load up, so you can see we have elements, we have console, sources and network. So just go to where you have network. So once you click on network, this will load up for you. So come to your video and play it for some seconds. Let's play the video. So can you see? I just played the video for some seconds. So what you do next is just pause it back. Then the video is ready to download for now. So let's pause the video back. So I've paused it. So you can see this is the media right here, the media you want to download. So what you do now is you come to the particular media. We played the video twice, that is why it is showing twice here. So once you play it once and pause it, it will only show one. You can see it's showing two. So just come to the video itself and okay, even before that, make sure you note this. You can see over here it's under media. So peradventure it's not under media. Make sure you take it to media. Do you understand? Make sure you take it to media. Let it be under media before you play the video. So come to over this place and right click the video itself. So once you right click, click on open in another tab. So let's take it up. I think I saw it right now. See it here? Open in a new tab. So click on that. So once you click on that, can you see this is the video right here? So just simply come to these three dots and click it, then you see download button. So just click on download and it will be downloaded on your system. So let me go to my downloads. So let me check my downloads over here. Can you see it has been downloaded? Let me even go and play it so that you see for yourself. So I'm over where the download videos are or download contents. Can you see this is the video? So let's play it with our VLC. You can see it on the laptop already. So can you see? So we have it on our laptop already. So basically this is how you download videos from the Facebook Ads Library. So guys, if you actually enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends, and also comment if you actually tried it and it worked for you. So I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.